This conversation highlights the importance of hobbies in our lives and showcases the diverse interests that people can have. It also fosters a sense of connection and understanding between the two individuals.
Hey, Emma. I've been meaning to ask you, what are some of your favorite hobbies?
Hi, Sarah. Oh, I have quite a few hobbies that I enjoy. I love painting, reading, and hiking. What about you?
That's awesome, Emma. I'm into photography, gardening, and playing the guitar.
Wow, those sound like fun hobbies. How did you get into photography?
I've always loved capturing moments, so I picked up a camera a few years ago and started practicing. It's been a great way to express my creativity.
That's amazing. I've dabbled in photography myself, but I'm more drawn to painting. There's something therapeutic about putting brush to canvas.
Absolutely. I find gardening to be therapeutic too. There's nothing quite like seeing your plants thrive and grow.
I couldn't agree more. Nature has a way of bringing peace and tranquility to our lives. Speaking of nature, do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I do. Hiking allows me to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse myself in the beauty of the outdoors.
It's so refreshing to spend time in nature. I often bring a book along on my hikes and find a quiet spot to read.
That sounds lovely. Reading is another one of my favorite pastimes. Do you have a favorite genre?
I enjoy a variety of genres, but I'm particularly fond of mystery and fantasy novels. They transport me to different worlds and keep me hooked until the very end.
I can relate. I love getting lost in a good book too. It's like entering a whole new universe without ever leaving home.
Exactly. It's incredible how hobbies can enrich our lives and bring us so much joy.
Absolutely. Whether it's painting, reading, hiking, or any other hobby, they all add color and excitement to our days.
Well said, Sarah. It's been wonderful chatting with you about our favorite hobbies.
Likewise, Emma. Let's make plans to indulge in some of them together soon.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.